this tool, the VLM, and I try to make it download. No. And maybe I choose another one. No, I don't know what happened. Maybe I just restart again. Set up VLM. Okay, actually I downloaded that before, but cannot work. So when I choose the download and staff, I actually choose a small one. So just go here, or maybe here. Oh, bots download. This is wrong. I don't think I downloaded this one already. But anyway, so the download already for this one. Download the project. Now this is really needed to, so set up a VM. So this one already have it. Try it still. I'm a server not found. Please do Model Studio. I do have I don't have Nama, so they just said through Model Studio. What is Model Studio? Yeah, there is still cannot write.